Yo, this is Evan from Octane Electrons. Going to check out a CB radio. This is the RETEVIS MB4 CB radio. I wanted a small CB radio that was didn't have to be permanently installed, so it can be powered from a cigarette lighter plug, and was small. And this guy is going to be awesome. These are super cool. They actually have a mounting system meant to fit in a single DIN head unit location, which I wish the Jeep did, but the Gladiator does not. You can see right here it has a head unit mounting shell, and then there's our microphone and cord, as well as the removal tools. So I wish we could mount it that way. I may find a single DIN box I can put it in, like a plastic case. I've used those before. So we'll look around for something like that. For now, we'll come up with probably a temporary mounting location using the hanging bracket. But that's a great feature of these, is the single DIN install, and it comes with the hardware. Let's take it out and take a look. You can see how small it is. Speaker is built in, microphone plug, dial, large screen, and then antenna plug and cigarette lighter power. So super cool, exactly what I wanted for a pretty portable setup, or not permanent installed setup in my truck. And then I'm going to use it with this Metra magnetic CB antenna. So we'll put that together. Let's get over to the truck and check it out. Okay, so I have the unit in the car here hooked up. I think how I'll be using this, because I will not be keeping it permanently installed unless I find a single DIN radio box, which I may do. But I probably will make a bracket to hang it on the grab rail here to hold. I'll 3D print one, so I don't have that done yet. But super easy to plug in and set up. Cigarette lighter plug over here to my magnetic antenna, which I'll mount on the bed. It's just a magnetic base. And then let's check out the radio. It's pretty cool. Okay, set it up here so we can see. Got a lot of good features built in. Turn the volume knob to turn it on. Over here we have squelch control, adjustable squelch, and then all the way down to the left is automatic squelch. Let me see. I had it in PA mode. Let me turn that off. Okay. So you can see large screen, easy to read. We have channel control over on the left. Easy to adjust, nice positive click. Got accordion cord on the microphone, push to transmit, and then channel up and down as well. So everything you need right on the mic. And then a lot of nice features built in. We have memory where you can store channels. Shortcut to channel 9 emergency frequencies and to 19. Menu where you can go into and change all sorts of settings. And then mode select switches between AM and FM, which can make a big difference depending on your location and other signals. We have noise reduction. You can hold to turn on and off different types of noise reduction settings. You can use these codes. I don't know much about these, but I know there are different ways to transmit codes based on the channel for more secure communication, I think. I don't use that feature. And then you can also hold down and change the dim level of the screen. And there we go. And we can also hit scan here. And the dot and the flashing there will scan between channels looking for a signal. Now, I'll mostly be using this off-roading with friends, so I doubt. I was hearing some traffic here on channel 6, but not much now. There's nothing going on near me. But this will mostly be for off-roading, which is why I wanted a pretty portable setup that I could just mount, plug in easily through a cigarette lighter when needed, and have it ready to go for the day, but then I can take it out easily. So this will do that. But I think I will mount it in a box, a single DIN radio box, and we will make a little mount for it in the cab or bracket to hang here to make it super easy to plug in and out when I need it. Cord will probably just run through my window back to my magnetic mount in the bed, and then everything's really easy to put in and out of the truck when I need it. So anyways, that's it. Really nice unit. You can see how small and compact it is. Has heatsink built in. plug or your antenna cable plug, power plug, and an external speaker right there. Another thing that was cool, since the speaker's built in, it actually has a PA function that if you hold PA mode right there, you'll see it switch to PA setting. Then you can actually use the microphone and built-in speaker as a PA. Switch out of it. So that's it. Really simple, easy to use, has all the features you need. The MB4 is really cool, super small, compact radio that can be a pretty portable unit, which is perfect for what I need. So anyways, hope you like it. Thanks for checking it out. See ya.